Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan and I'm happy to have you. So if you watched my Boxy Luxe unboxing for June, then you already know exactly what is about to happen because I decided at the end of that video that I wasn't really going to use any of the Boxy Luxe products in the video, and that it didn't make sense to continue in that video with what I was going to do. So I'm going to use these very lovely colors. These are the three that I've chosen to see if I can do an interesting look. So these are the, I'm just going to hold up the lid because I don't want to put it back on, the Suva Beauty Hydraliners. And they are in the shade Acid Trip, Scrunchy, and Freezy. These are available on the Suva Beauty website, and I have the whole collection because they're amazing. So they are water activated, and I've already put on foundation, powder, primed my eyes. This is a Suva Beauty 620 brush. So I got in my Ipsy Plus, I got a Suva Beauty Hydraliner in the shade Grease, which is just black, and the 620 brush. I already had both, actually. So I realized I haven't really done anything just really highlighting these liners, and they're incredible. So I wanted to. Also, my Ipsy Plus unboxing had some issues with sound, so as much as I raved about it in that video, you don't get to see it because that video didn't work out. So if you've never seen me use one of these, or you've never seen one of these used, it's just like a hard cake that dries completely between uses. I just have a little bit of water in a little container, and I'm going to dip my brush into the water and just put literally just a few drops in, just so that it's enough to get it wet. And then I like to make almost like a lotion consistency. It's really hard to describe, and it's something that you can do entirely based on your own personal preferences. So you can make it thicker, you can make it thinner. The thicker you make it, personally, I think the more difficult it is to get it to do what I want it to do. I guess if it's too thick or too thin, it's difficult to use. If it's too thin, it's not going to be opaque enough. But I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in, and I'm going to go ahead and start this look. Okay, so this is actually going to be probably pretty simple in the grand scheme of things, but because these are really dramatic colors, it's going to end up being a very dramatic look. So I'm just gonna go in. The other thing that I really like about these liners is that I can use them for my eyebrows when I color my hair. So if you are subscribed to, or if you're subscribed, if you follow my Instagram at all and you've seen me have any kind of colorful eyebrows, it's always these that I've used. So like at Christmas, I had the red and white candy cane looking eyebrows. I did green for St. Patrick's Day. Also because my hair was green and yellow, so it made sense to go with green. And I've done like kind of a pinkish color, little bit more purpley than what my hair is currently, just because it was a color that I liked. So if you like colorful eyebrows, this is something you can use depending on, oh, that was totally, okay, don't stick your brush in your eye. Okay, so my camera died. So I'm going to try and finish this with my phone. I'm going to try and go quick. This is just, it's like the universe is trying to work against me. And that's not nice of the universe. All right, so the shade that I put on is Acid Trip. Next, I am going to go into the pink, which is Scrunchy. I also, because I'm doing this on my phone and I want to use the back camera because it is a better camera, I can't see what is happening. So hopefully I stay in frame.
You know how you have that one eye that works out really well, and then the other one that just doesn't? So, we're just gonna look at this eye.
I'm just gonna go into the shade Kissberry. Definitely should have done that before mascara, but I didn't think about it, so I didn't. Sticking with Suva Beauty, I'm going to use Thunder. Alright, so here is my look using the Suva Beauty Hydraliners and the Suva Beauty liquid lipstick. I love Suva Beauty. They are incredible. And yeah, I just wanted to give them a little love and I wanted to play around with some bright colors. Alright, and I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Bye.